So we did question number 8, 9 and 10, right? We did question number 8, 9 and 10, and for your homework you do question number 11, you do 12, you do 13, and from this page you do question number 17. All right, you do these 4 sums in your, you do these 4 sums 11, 12, 13 and 17 in your homework. Now let's do question number 14. All right, now what does question number 14 say? A bookseller sold 5,000 storybooks in a year. The next year he sold 3,022 books. How many less books did he sell in the second year? So in the first year a bookseller sold 5,000 and in the next year he sold only 3,000 books, right? Now the question is, how many less books did he sell in the second year? So the question is asking that how many less books did the bookseller sell? Less. So now the question is less. So what do we have to do? The question is less. It is asking for less. So what do we have to do? We have to subtract, right? We have to subtract. So now let's write the statement. A bookseller sold story in a year is equal to 5,000. Okay. The next year he sold books is equal to 3022. Now we have to subtract 3,222 from 5,000, right? So now what will be the answer? We cut this 0 and we make it 10, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get 8 here. Now this is 0, right? So we borrow 1 from here. We borrow 1 from this 0 to this 0 and we make it 10. Now we borrowed 1 from, and we borrowed 1 from this 0 to here. We borrowed 1 from here, right? So we are going to cut this. Since we borrowed 1, we will subtract 1 from this 10 and this will become 9. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Now this is 0, right? We are going to borrow 1 from 5, and since we borrowed 1 from this 10 to this 10, we are going to cut this and we are going to write 9. So 9 minus 0 becomes 9. We borrowed 1 from this 5, right? We borrowed 1 from this 5 and made this 0 10. So we are going to cut this 5 and we are going to make it 4. So 4 minus 3 becomes 1. So the answer is 1,978 books the bookseller sold less in the second year. So we are going to write the final statement. The bookseller sold 1,978 less books in the second year. All right. So the bookseller sold in a year 5,000. In the next year he sold books 3,022. We subtracted 3,022 from 5,000. We got 1,978. So the bookseller sold this many less books in the second year. All right. Now let's move on to the second question. Let's draw a line here. Okay, let's draw a line here. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 15. let's move on to question number 15. Now what does question number 15 say? Last year 8,000 students appeared for the school final examination. This year 7,068 students have appeared. How many less students have appeared for the final examination this year? In the previous question also we had this word less, and in this question also we have this word less. So less means we have to subtract and find how many less students, the number of students who did not appear in the examination. Alright, so now let's write the statement. Students appeared for the final examination last year is equal to 8,000. Okay, now this year the number of students appeared for the examination is equal to 7068. Alright, now we subtract this. We subtract 7,068 from 8,000. Now you know how to do it. We make this 0, we cut this 0 and we make it 10. 8, 9, 10. So we get 2 here. Now this is 0, so we have to make it 10, right? And since we borrowed 1 from this 0 to here, so we have to cut this and we have to make it 9. So 9 minus 6 becomes 3. Similarly, this 0 becomes 10. We are borrowing 1 from here, and since we borrowed 1 from this to here, we are going to make this 9 because you are subtracting 1 from 10. So 9 minus 0 becomes 9, and we borrowed 1 from 8, so we have to subtract 1 from 8 and this becomes 7. 7 minus 7, 0. So this many students did not appear for the examination. Okay, so the final statement will be 932 students did not appear for the final examination this year. All right, so the students who appeared for the final examination last year was 8,000. This year the number of students appeared for the examination was this. We subtracted this and we got 932. So 932 students did not appear for the final examination this year. All right, so we are done with this and we are going to draw a line. Okay, so now the final sum on this page. 3,090 people came to see a film show. 1,050 people left in between. So how many people stayed on to see the whole film? So the question is, this many people together came to watch a film, right? In between the film, this many people left, probably because they did not like to watch the film. They did not like what they were showing. So this many people left the theater. So now the question is, how many people stayed on to see the film? If this was the total amount and this many people left, so how many people remained to see the film? So how many people remain? So what are we going to do here? We are going to subtract this from this, because this many people left. So we have to find the remaining number to see how many people stayed on to see the film. Okay, so now let's write the statement. Total number of people who came to see a film is equal to 3090. Okay, number of people who left in between is equal to 1050. Okay, so we are going to subtract. Now 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 0, 0, 0, 3 minus 1, 2. See, so easy. So the final statement, 2040 people stayed on to see the whole film. Okay, so these were the total number of people who came in to see a film, 3090, and then number of people who left in between. They did not want to continue watching the movie, so they left. So this was the number 1050. We did the subtraction, we got 2040. So 2040 people stayed on to see the whole film. So I hope you liked today's class, and remember that you have for your homework, do sum number 11, 12, 13 and 17. Okay, for your homework do this. Thank you class. Bye.